When your Keystone Cougar water heater isn't working properly, there are several common issues you can check before calling a technician. Let's walk through the most frequent problems and their solutions. The most common complaint is no hot water at all. Before panicking, check these simple things first. Are your propane tanks full? This is the number one cause of water heater failures. Next, check your electrical system. A tripped breaker or blown fuse is extremely common. Look for the water heater breaker in your electrical panel and make sure it's in the on position. If you're getting lukewarm water instead of hot, the bypass valve is likely your culprit. After winterization, this valve needs to be reset properly, or cold water will mix with hot water. Pilot light problems are another frequent issue. If the pilot won't stay lit, you likely have a dirty thermocouple or pilot burner. Here's what the burner assembly looks like. For electrical issues, you can use a multimeter to test voltage and resistance. Normal voltage should be between 108 and 132 volts AC. Heating element resistance should read between 10 and 13 ohms. Important: Keystone RV issued Service Advisory 25-460 on February 12, 2025, regarding incorrect wiring of water heater switches in certain 2025 Coleman travel trailers. Check if this applies to your unit. Finally, if you notice rust-colored water, this indicates sediment buildup in your tank. The solution is to flush the tank regularly to remove accumulated sediment and maintain water quality. These are the most common water heater issues you can troubleshoot yourself. Always check the simple things first: propane levels, electrical connections, and valve positions. If these quick fixes don't solve your problem, you may need deeper diagnostics. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Keystone Cougar water heater issues, it's time for deeper diagnostics and preventative maintenance to ensure long-term reliability. Understanding your RV's complete water system helps identify where problems might originate. The water heater is just one component in a complex system that includes storage, pumping, heating, and distribution. Annual maintenance is crucial for preventing major issues. The most important procedure is flushing the tank to remove sediment that accumulates over time and reduces heating efficiency. Component inspection should include checking the gas valve, testing electric heating elements, and verifying thermostat operation. These components work together to heat your water safely and efficiently. The anode rod is your water heater's most critical maintenance component. This sacrificial metal rod prevents corrosion of the tank itself by attracting corrosive elements in the water. Replace the anode rod every 1 to 3 years depending on usage. Warning signs include rust-colored water, metallic taste, or visible corrosion on the rod itself. Some repairs require professional expertise for safety and effectiveness. Gas valve replacement, burner chamber cleaning, and propane leak detection should always be handled by qualified RV technicians. Safety is paramount when dealing with propane and electrical systems. While DIY troubleshooting is valuable, never attempt repairs beyond your skill level. Professional service protects both you and your investment. Regular preventative maintenance keeps your Keystone Cougar water heater running efficiently for years. Annual flushing, anode rod inspection, and vent clearance checks prevent most major issues. Proper maintenance extends heater lifespan, improves efficiency, reduces repair costs, and ensures reliable hot water. By staying proactive with maintenance and addressing issues promptly, you'll enjoy trouble-free operation.